The idiomatic meaning of the phrasal verb screw up is to make a big mistake or bad decision. Note that this is an informal term and it is not very polite to say that someone has screwed up. However, you might use this to talk about your own actions. Anyway, let's have a look at the following example. Happy anniversary, love! I got you this gift and some flowers, and I booked us a table at a restaurant for this evening. Oh my god, that's so nice! Happy anniversary! I also got you a present. It's just the present is, you forgot our anniversary, didn't you? Yeah, I'm sorry, I really screwed up this time. Yeah, you really did screw up this time.